Hello, folks. So we are going to Chicago from Windsor. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and we will show you some different places along the way from Chicago and many other places along the way. So stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks for watching. We're going to leave now to Chicago. So we have to charge our car down the way around in 3 hours and 32 minutes. But we have to cross the border maybe in 4 hours. So stay tuned, and we will be in Chicago I think around 2:30, and we will show you things around the way. Thanks.
Jack,
Not-
I give up. Avian is still thinking I give up. It starts with Jet, Avian.
Yeah. जब जाएंगे ना दूसरे पर when we are going to Ambassador Bridge now.
Now it's my turn.
So it's 4:01. We're getting out to Ambassador Bridge, Union Church Road. Just a few minutes away.
It is black. It says underground.
But you have to say whether it's a thing, animal, or bird.
It's an animal.
I want to see your videography now.
I'm still not talking.
So that's Ambassador Bridge. We're just going to go across to US from Windsor. So this is Windsor. In 2 minutes we will be in Detroit after the bridge. So bridge to USA. Cars only. Duty-free shop. The trucks coming from the US. So we are on the Ambassador Bridge. So this is, you can see
OMG.
the Canadian flag there. So we are still in Canada.
OMG. This is so fun.
It's the busiest bridge in the world.
I can see the whole world.
Billions of dollars of trade goes every year.
Detroit?
Yeah. I can see the whole world. We've been on this bridge before. We've been on this bridge.
Yeah, we have. You're right, Avian.
We talked about
Yes, that is absolutely.
So
We see it
beautiful.
running inside the water.
Man, that's the bridge building there over there. 6-lane bridge.
See how beautiful this bridge is.
Yeah.
how did they make it so high?
Yeah.
It's engineering.
Engineering. Your Baba knows how to.
Now they are crossing the US
He
side.
he make the plan, then
Now
engineer
they
build.
see the US flag. Now we are in the US. We left Canada.
See now we are in
entered
US. Yes. So we are in US now. See, it takes few less than 2 minutes to go to US.
Where is he?
Hero is in her roots in the US. She doesn't stand at the border for us.
Huh?
Right, Jyoti? Right?
Where is the hero?
Yeah. Up भी कदम. So
एरोप्लेन में मोड में भी तो सॉरी
Yeah, so we are in Detroit now. We passed the border, and we're going towards Chicago. It will take us another 4.5 hours to go there. But we will stop for the car charging in about 2 hours and 31 minutes.
And look at
St.
what
Joseph,
is that?
Michigan. So you can see this is the industrial area.
No, that's industry. That's what they make.
Papa, I cannot see.
Is something inside US? That is
So here's the exit.
Big white houses. The big
94 West Chicago.
Big white houses. Igloo?
No, but close. It's kind of like an igloo, but just a bit bigger.
A big house. A white house?
Yeah.
Aww. Okay, your turn. Now. I got 1 point in all these time. You were getting all the points.
Avian, so we are on our way now on the main road to Chicago.
I spent
Exit.
my little
Highway, not highways, Interstate 94.
face.
Grayish brown. Grayish brown. Road.
See, look, man, this nice bridge.
Avian,
thingy.
look up, look up.
Oh!
Was that fun?
It's very nice.
We're still guessing.
Detroit is a motor
Something
city.
like this grayish brown.
Dirt.
Now take a video. What do you? अभी शुरू हुई है. So this is HOV lane with white. Double white lane, right? It's almost like a fence. It's a new thing. I see that. So this is better now. So we are driving. It's still a long way to go to Chicago. It's on Interstate 94. Mahan is holding the camera. So I get the best person today to help me. And everybody's sleeping in the car right now, so it's very quiet in the back. Kids are at sleep. And so we are stopped here at the rest area in Michigan, in between Detroit and Chicago. So going to be stopping here for a few minutes for washroom break, and then we will go back again to Chicago on the road. So stay tuned. So Angad, how's your travel going so far?
It's good.
Huh? So this is the rest area in Michigan on the way to Chicago on I-94. So we stop here for a few minutes for washroom break, and then we will leave. US flag. We are going back in our car again on the road. So we're going to leave here from the rest area, and we'll be stopping at the charging station in next 2 hours at St. Joseph, Michigan. So Mahan is closing the trunk, and then we are going to leave. So we reached at St. Joseph's, Michigan, and parking our car for charging. We'll charge for 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then we'll go from there to look for some place to eat, McDonald's or somewhere else. Then Chicago from here is another hour and 40 minutes, where we are going for Millennium Park. We stopped at the McDonald's for some snacks and food, and now we are going to Chicago. It will be 1 more hour to the Millennium Park, where we are going to see the first attraction, and we will show you more from there and on the way. So keep watching. So we are back on I-94 again after eating. Let's go. मुझे घुमा रहे हो कहते होगे. They have a cinema inside, like theater room. Very nice showers.
Free?
Huh?
Free? Or
Like
what?
जो भी guest आते हैं उनके लिए free है.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's what you need.
Yeah. So here's a weigh scale coming, and all the trucks has to go through the weigh scale. But sometimes some trucks get the bypass signal. So these trucks which are going straight, they got the bypass signals, and others has to go on the weigh scale to check their weight. Sometimes there's inspection of the trucks, level 1 or level 3, which is at the severity level, to make sure they are safe on the road. Chicago Skyway, keep right. Chicago Skyway, toll road, but we are taking 94. This is not toll road. So we are in Illinois, Chicago area. It's a suburb. कितना बजे जा रहा मैं अच्छा. Oh, beautiful. ऐसे कर Chicago loop, left 2 lanes. So we are going to the loop.
But we have to go straight.
Yeah, left 2 lane बोल रहे हैं. The Chicago loop is like name of the area.
Yeah.
It's a loop around.
Loop round, right?
Not that close.
So this is all the green area. So this is not a suburb, right?
It's downtown.
This one? It's very good. ये तो highway not that. So now we go into the loop. See, this Memphis is in north.
Trains again.
Yeah, these trains go downtown. कितने पुराने सिटी लग रहे हैं. Looks very old.
The design is like that.
Design like that. From inside must be nice, right?
Go tower like that. 360.
Yeah, वो देखता.
It's in the fog.
शीतल, now we're going from the west side से नहीं south north से वो south आ रहे हैं अभी सीधा downtown को.
That one, that's the village town.
No, actually now we're going north actually. South से north आ रहा है. Chicago loop west Line Expressway.
फास्ट चलाते हैं यार.
Very, very fast.
जगतार बोला ना aggressive driving कर रहे हैं. That's I think as
Shitra is huge. हैं? देखो inside कितनी lanes है. टोरंटो जैसे नहीं आते हम गार्डनर एक्सप्रेस से है ना ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सेम टावर्स की शक्ल ही चेंज आउट दैट्स ऑल ब्यूटीफुल आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस आर्किटेक्चर तो कमाल का है
McCormick Place. ये मैंने पढ़ा था. कुछ तो है यहाँ. McCormick Place.
Oh man, take the beauty from here. Angad.
We are here, Jagtar, for 3 days. It's okay. Let us see. ये McCormick Place.
Wow, so beautiful. ऐसा सीन कहीं से नहीं मिलेगा. Seeing it from your own car. Nice.
What is this thing? What is this thing structure?
Field है, field.
Field museum.
नहीं,
Soldier field.
कोई ना कोई स्पोर्ट्स सेंटर है कोई. It's a sports arena. That's a beautiful man. That's the diamond shaped building.
हाँ बट वो आपका सिग्नल आ रहा है बीच में तो फोटो अच्छा नहीं आएगा. अभी चालू हो गया. जगतार यू पे.
Oh,
It's
look,
okay.
car से
Let
car.
me-
Mom, look up here.
I know, sweetie. That's good part about Jagtar uncle's car. We can look through the roof.
Oh yeah, actually I didn't realize that. Yeah, I can see those.
Ooh, I love that.
Beautiful towers. So we parked our car at Millennium Park Garage, and now we're going to see the attractions here.
Let's take the elevator.
Level 3 now.
Street Park.
I want to get out.
Hopefully we are going to the right place.
He wanted to take this. Filling a mile, a magnificent mile.
You're gonna want to go make a right.
This is the parking
And then
door. We had to get in. We can remember. And now we can see the downtown area. So this is one of the building we are seeing. Yeah. Chalo. Beautiful Chicago downtown. You can see those buildings.
I don't know. Wait.
Huh? This is beautiful.